Hey, what's up, guys? It's Leo here, and I'm gonna do a bike check on my bike. It's a We the People Justice. It's a pretty good bike. It's like 25 pounds or something like that. And yeah, let's get started. I got ODI long neck grips. They're pretty good. I really like them. They didn't come with the bike, but I got them when I got the bike, so I don't even remember what the grips it really came with. I got the handlebars. It's really good. I think it's Salt. I don't think it's from We the People, because Salt is with We the People. And got Salt brakes, a Salt stem. Also got a Salt headset. The forks are Salt too. They're pretty good. And for the front tire, I got a Pitch Rot 20 times 2.5. They're pretty good. I got a cool little red valve cap. Really like it. It came with stolen rims, so I got it for $200 less. It's pretty good. It's like the new stolen revolver rims. Yeah, I got the We the People Justice frame, obviously. I got E-clap pedals. They're pretty good. Salt cranks, Salt sprocket, and chain. It doesn't even come with a master link, so it's kind of bad. The back tire is pretty much the same. It's just, except I think it's like a 20 times 2.1. So yeah, got the rims and all that, hub. So yeah, that's my bike. I think it's a really good bike overall. And, so, have a great day.